Hi, today we are going to learn TCP/IP model. TCP/IP is a set of protocol developed to allow cooperating computers to share resources across a network. TCP/IP एक प्रोटोकॉल का सेट होता है जिसको डेवलप किया जाता है इंफॉर्मेशन को शेयर करने के लिए। TCP stands for Transmission Control Protocol. IP stands for Internet Protocol. TCP and IP are transport layer and network layer protocol respectively of the protocol suite. The most well-known network that adopted TCP/IP is Internet. Some basic functions of TCP/IP are: first one is establish a connection between nodes, manage data flow on the network, handle transmission errors, terminate connection at the end. TCP is a connection oriented protocol where IP is a connectionless protocol. Like OLSI model, TCP/IP model has also some layers. In the OSI model, there are 7 layers: physical, data link, network, transport, session, presentation and application. In TCP/IP model, there are only 4 layers. First layer is application, second is transport layer, third is internet layer and fourth is host to network layer. So firstly we discuss about application layer. First layer is application layer. Application layer contains all the higher level protocol like Telnet, FTP, SMTP, DNS, Usenet, HTTP etc. एप्लीकेशन लेयर फर्स्ट लेयर होता है TCP/IP मॉडल का। TCP/IP मॉडल में टोटल 4 लेयर्स होते हैं: एप्लीकेशन, ट्रांसपोर्ट, इंटरनेट, होस्ट टू नेटवर्क। 4 लेयर हैं। पहला लेयर है एप्लीकेशन। एप्लीकेशन लेयर सभी हाई लेवल के जो प्रोटोकॉल्स हैं उनको कंटेन करता है, जैसे टेलनेट, FTP, HTTP, SMTP, DNS etc. यहाँ पर इस पेज में एप्लीकेशन लेयर्स के सभी हाई लेवल के जो प्रोटोकॉल्स हैं उनके नाम दिए गए हैं और उनके बारे में शॉर्ट में दिया है। नेक्स्ट पेज में अब हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे डिटेल्स में इन सभी प्रोटोकॉल्स के बारे में। सो फर्स्ट प्रोटोकॉल इज FTP, फाइल ट्रांसफर प्रोटोकॉल, यूज्ड फॉर ट्रांसमिशन ऑफ फाइल्स बिटवीन कंप्यूटर्स। Second is SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, used for transmission of emails. HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol, communication between web services and web browser. SNMP, Simple Network Management Protocol, used for administration of computer networks. DHCP, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. It is used for allocation of dynamic IP addresses to computer in a network. DNS, Domain Name Service, used to translate domain names. Like example, there is one URL facebook.com to IP address. Telnet, Terminal Network, two-way communication protocol, connect to a remote machine and run application on it. Next layer is transport layer. Transport layer is designed to handle end-to-end conversation. There are 2 main protocols of transport layer. So we can say 2 main end-to-end protocol is TCP and UDP. Firstly we discuss about TCP, Transmission Control Protocol. Transmission Control Protocol is a connection oriented protocol. It allows a byte stream originating from one messages to be delivered without error on any other messages. TCP ट्रांसमिशन कंट्रोल प्रोटोकॉल हमारा एक कनेक्शन ओरिएंटेड प्रोटोकॉल होता है और बाइट स्ट्रीम में होता है। नेक्स्ट वन इज यूडीपी, यूजर डेटाग्राम प्रोटोकॉल। यूडीपी इज अ कनेक्शन लेस प्रोटोकॉल वेयर TCP is a connection oriented protocol. UDP issues one short client server type request reply queries. UDP is also used when delivery is more important than accurate delivery like speech and video. Third layer is internet layer. Here internet protocol IP is used. Its job to permit host to inject packets into any network and send them to different route. It defines IP protocol. Internet layer defines IP protocol. Its job is to deliver IP packet. It deals packet routing. Last layer is host to network. We can also say that host to network is a combination of physical and data link layer. Host to network layer handles how the host has to connect the network. Its functioning varies from network to network. So we can say that TCP IP model is used in current internet architecture, which describes the movement of data between the source and destination on the internet. So TCP IP model हमारा आज की डेट में एक ऐसा आर्किटेक्चर है जो इंटरनेट में डेटा के मूवमेंट के लिए यूज़ होता है। देयर आर 4 layers in TCP IP model which we have already discussed. There are some basic difference of OSI model and TCP IP model. So OSI model has 7 layer architecture, TCP IP model has a 4 layer architecture. In OSI model, transport layer guarantees to deliver the data. In TCP IP model, transport layer does not guarantees the delivery of data. OSI model is less reliable, whereas TCP IP model is more reliable. OSI model is a general model. TCP IP model is not a general model because it cannot use any other application. OSI model follows horizontal approach, TCP IP model follows vertical approach. OSI model has a separate presentation layer. In TCP IP model, presentation and session layers are merged in application layer. So in TCP IP model, no separate presentation layer. OSI model has problem of fitting the protocol in the model, whereas TCP IP model does not fit any protocol. OSI model protocols are hidden and easily replaced as the technologies change. But in TCP IP model, not easily replaced in TCP IP model. Network layer of OSI model provide both connection oriented and connectionless service. TCP IP model provides connectionless service when UDP is used and connection oriented service when TCP is used. In the transport layer, OSI model separates services, interface and protocols clearly. TCP IP model does not separate services, interface and protocols clearly. अभी हम लोगों ने OSI लेयर और TCP IP लेयर में कुछ डिफरेंस हैं उनको डिस्कस किया। अब हम लोग TCP और UDP में क्या डिफरेंस है। TCP ट्रांसमिशन कंट्रोल प्रोटोकॉल, UDP यूजर डेटाग्राम प्रोटोकॉल, बोथ आर द प्रोटोकॉल्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट लेयर, सेकेंड लेयर. So TCP connection oriented protocol, whereas UDP is connectionless protocol. TCP Connection is in byte stream in UDP, connection in message stream. TCP does not support multicasting and broadcasting. UDP supports broadcasting. TCP provides error control and flow. UDP error control and flow control is not provided. TCP supports full duplex. UDP does not support full duplex. TCP is a three-way handshake. In UDP, no handshake. TCP header size is 20 bytes. UDP header size is 8 bytes. TCP packets is called segment, whereas UDP packets is called as user datagram. So again we revise all the key points of TCP/IP. TCP/IP is a set of protocol developed to allow cooperating computers to share resources across a network. TCP stands for Transmission Control Protocol. IP stands for Internet Protocol. Both the TCP and IP are transport layer and network layer protocols respectively of the protocol suite. The most well-known network that adopted TCP/IP is Internet. TCP/IP functions: establish a connection between nodes, manage data flow on the network, handle transmission errors, terminate connection at the end. TCP is a connection-oriented protocol, meaning that a packet sent to the next node is monitored for proper receipt. IP is a connectionless protocol, meaning that a packet sent to the next node is not monitored for proper delivery. Since TCP and IP work together, the packet delivery is reliable. UDP is a connectionless protocol, so we can say connectionless mode is known as user datagram protocol. Characteristics of TCP: TCP is a connection oriented, TCP is a reliable, and TCP is used to carry large amount of data. It provides services that Internet protocol. 4 layers of TCP are application, transport, internet, network. Application is used to allow access to network resources. Transport layer is used to provide reliable process to process message delivery and error delivery. Internet layer is used to move packets from source to destination and to provide internetworking. Last layer is network layer or host to network layer that is used for that is responsible for the transmission for the between two devices on the same network.